Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I'm Mitchell Ram with Coldwell Banker in the Rockesh Ram Group. We're here at our newest listing at 4747 Greenwald in Bridgetown. Let me tell you, it's updated, awesome location, and best of all, the setting. Let's go inside and take a look. So welcome to the inside of our house here on Greenwald. This house has 4 bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 half bath, vaulted ceilings, awesome fixtures. It's move-in ready. We have beautiful backsplash, designer granite, wooden hood, stainless steel appliances throughout. Let me show you this awesome master. Pretty open concept. We have high ceilings directing us right into the master bathroom. We have double vanity, updated shower, big walk-in closet. This one really shows pride of ownership. These owners have completely remodeled the basement, kind of in a modern farmhouse feel. And my favorite part here is our modern farmhouse style bar. I want to introduce you to Rakesh on our team. He's been spending a lot of time in this backyard. He loves it. Let's hear what it's all about.
This is such a hidden gem around here. Where would you find this in middle of a community or a subdivision? Fenced in, you've got green spaces, you've got 40-foot pine trees, and look at this outdoor living right here. You talk about entertainment, having fun, and making memories.
For more information or to schedule a showing, please call or text us. Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.